When you're out at sea, the thrill of adventure is often accompanied by the responsibility of safety. One of the most critical aspects of that safety is knowing how to respond to heart attacks and cardiac arrest. These emergencies can happen anywhere, and being prepared can mean the difference between life and death. First, let's talk about recognizing the symptoms. A heart attack might present as chest pain or discomfort, which can feel like pressure, squeezing, or fullness. You might also notice shortness of breath, nausea, or lightheadedness. If someone is experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to act quickly. Time is of the essence. Now, if you suspect someone is having a heart attack, the first step is to call for help. If you're on a vessel, alert your crew and use your communication devices to reach medical assistance. While waiting for help, you can provide comfort and reassurance to the person affected. If the person becomes unresponsive and isn't breathing, it's time to initiate CPR. Start by placing the heel of one hand on the center of their chest, interlocking your fingers with the other hand. Push down hard and fast at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Remember, it's all about keeping the blood flowing to the brain and vital organs. If you're unsure about the rhythm, think of the beat of Stayin' Alive. It's a classic for a reason. After 30 compressions, if you're trained to do so, give 2 rescue breaths. Tilt the head back slightly to open the airway, pinch the nose shut, and seal your lips around theirs. Give a breath that lasts about 1 second, watching for the chest to rise, then repeat. If you're not comfortable with rescue breaths, just continue with hands-only CPR. Now, let's discuss the Automated External Defibrillator, or AED. If your vessel is equipped with one, it can be a lifesaver. Turn it on, and it will guide you through the process. Attach the pads to the person's bare chest as indicated, and the device will analyze their heart rhythm. If a shock is advised, make sure no one is touching the person and press the shock button. Then, immediately resume CPR. Preparation is key. Ensure your marine first aid kit is stocked with essential supplies, including gloves, scissors, and a CPR face shield. Regularly check the kit to replace any expired items. Training is equally important. Make sure you and your crew are familiar with CPR and AED use. Consider scheduling regular drills to keep everyone sharp. In the unpredictable environment of the sea, being prepared for a cardiac emergency can save lives. By recognizing symptoms, knowing how to perform CPR, and using an AED effectively, you can be the difference between hope and despair. Remember, every second counts, and your actions can make all the difference. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and keep your crew safe.